Go, Alan! Go, Alan! Show them what you got!
Crossover move. Ayun! Hindi na. Pinabahan sa libreng tao. Alonso. Papa. To three. Miss. Defensa. Umatake. Miss again.
Sige pa, pagulyan pa!
Papa.
Ayaw talaga!
Ayun, nakuha pa rin na ng bola. Slider pa rin ang bola. Carlo.
Kuya, magpapasitang gilis ka naman. Gano'n naman yun!
One shot. Ayun. Constitution. Sakar. Now given it by Onyo Hernandez. Ang oras natin is 1 minute and 45 seconds. Ang score 70-53. 17 lamang ng AIP. Lumolobo lamang ng AIP Company. There's a top. Ayun, bola na Slider. Alonso. Kanila pa rin. E nakakuha ni Aldama. Alonso. Taking foul. So not counted. On number 7. Onyo Hernandez. Third foul. 30. On the hip. Not counted yun. Wala ba rin? Laking foul. Three. 70-56. 14 lamang ng AIP. Ang tagal bago na ma-score ng AIP. Snyder. 8 seconds remaining. Albernon, crossover move. Laking foul. 34, Papa. First foul. Penalty on Snyder. Penalty tayo. First strike good on Alan Bernardo. 54 seconds ang oras natin. 71-56. 15 para sa AIP. 15, nadagdagan ng isa. 16-point lead by AIP Company. 54 seconds. Alonso. Attacking the basket, making a shot. 14 lang ng AIP. 38 seconds.
Tatlo sa ilalim mo.
10 seconds to shoot. KJ, missed. Ayun! 14 seconds. 10 seconds.
May pag-asa pa, Green!
5 seconds. Foul on 34, Papa. Second foul, penalty. So 2 free throw para kay Onyo Hernandez. First shot's good. Oras natin, 1.8. So almost 2 seconds yan. 1.8 yan, 1.8 ha. 75-58. 17 lamang. Natagdagan ba? Ayun, 18 na naman. 18-point lead by AIP Company. 1.8. 1.8, almost 2 seconds yan. Ang score natin sa magtatapos ng third quarter is 50. Alright. Nice schedule po natin sa Friday. First game. At 5 o'clock, Sheraton versus Allocayer. Next game po natin is Aip Company and Snyder ulit. Maghaharap. At ang last game is Marriott versus Maisania. Yan po ang mga schedule natin sa Friday.
Ay, sa Friday.
For more information, please contact Mr. Carl Solero.
Pag nanalo ha, champion na Friday.
Win! Sir, papunta na.
Win! Makakapasok ko tingin rin.
Celebrity.
Lagay natin sa Facebook. Facebook.
Ready?
Tayo.
Hindi mo susunod maglagay silang pangalan sa likod Teo.
Minanual po natin yung 3 seconds, ha? Okay na. Okay na, sir?
Puro number na.
Alright. Miss, rebound there by Onyo Hernandez. Speedy! Wow! Foul number 6, Aldaba. Third foul.
All pa.
Napaul ko.
First team foul on Snyder. 4-point opportunity for number 14, Speedy Mean Cowan. And that was Winka completing his triple play. 80-58. 22 lamang ng 8. 22-point lead. Papa short for the three.
Kuya naman.
Alan Bernardo. Attack.
Oh, what's that?
Makes the shot.
This is you.
De Fiesta. Papa makes it. 20 lamang. 20-point lead by 80-60. Ang score natin. KJ! 22-point lead by Ape Company. 82-60. 22 para sa Ape.
Pinagama ka niya ng pera nung ginagawa na to.
Semi-finals pa lang.
Papa tumalon. Malonzo.
Ano yan? Inter-hotel yan.
Speedy. Ayun. Bernardo on. And the goal is 24-point lead by Ape. Aldaba. Basket count. That's a foul. Number 15, Macalaba. Macalaba, first foul. First team foul for Ape. Timeout. Snyder. Score natin is 84-62. 22-point lead by 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Play para kay Aldama. Bonus shot. Para kay Aldama, number 6.
Itong Friday.
Kita mo yung Philippines.
Wala pa rin. Ayun, si Labrador. Sa pangalawang pagkakataon, pumasok na. Alan Bernardo, tinakbuhan sila. Ayun, si Macalaba. Yes, Hernandez. Blocking foul.
Tagal pa rin na.
Number 8, Malonzo blocking foul. Third foul. Second team foul on Snyder. 22-point lead by Ape. 7 minutes and 43 seconds. Mahaba pa oras natin. Hernandez. Fourth shot. Labrador, galit-galit. Aldaba. So, bola pa rin ay manantinis sa Snyder. 17 seconds to shoot. 17
Gusto
seconds.
mo magtakin?
Karok. Pumasake. Yes on Karok. 66-86. 20 lamang ng Ape. 20-point lead by Ape Company.
Focus mo.